Yeah man, glory be to the Most High. Yeah man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. If it's the first time you're watching this channel, please do subscribe. You know what I mean? Like, share, and everything we have to do. You know what I mean? Just do the right thing. You know what I mean? As we fight a war. Yeah man, the movie here, the right side of the roadside at the new location, right? So time to come, we have to get mics. We don't have no mic yet. You know what I mean? We want mic so we can deny the car driving past because it's right on the main road. You know what I mean? It's our new location, JAMMIWOOD Studio. We fighting a war out here. See me in the dark room? Yeah. Yeah man. We'll try to survive it. But watch a movie still and tell me what I go on still. You know, leave a comment at the end. Tell a friend, tell a friend. You know what I mean? New movie coming at you. Let's go. Alright. What go on now, you know? We look around the place. Your father, right?
Yeah.
And one idea now, you have to be a father. So now you're out of school, you do your college already, everything good. Now you have to find yourself a wife, man. You know, so you're bridging them through your money, you take the money, take the card right there and run it. You know how money come by, when you run the card, how much girl and pop pill and him, you have to dash it or something there. You have to find yourself a decent little girl and now, married, settle down, and you can give a business to yourself. At least a house I want left to the house I give up. Because I have 2 more mansions up the line and I have want to start a new business up there. You know what I mean? I have a new contractor where I tell them about some new material build up some place now because I'm going a business, some more left a legacy, not just one location. So the location I'm more left it down here with you, but with your bridging them and the pop pill business, it's not going to work. You want them go and influence you and say, yo, you can link to a girl now, you're going to link the girl them and the girl them go this and the girl them go that. It's not going to work. You understand? Yeah. So you have pop pill and you not pop pill them because we don't say the girl have more sense. But if the girl them say they want pill, you buy them pill. And then so if me now left the business with you now, yeah, your friend them will love party and pop it down. Cause Papa him not every party he want go, you know. From the painted to the get boogie and boogie down and mayhem, the whole of the party we not do. ASAP, we know do coloring book, we know do Facebook, we know do every one of the thing them. So yes, it's good to have a lot of fun because me don't know how fun go, so we don't have none. But yes, but still you have to think about one future. So the future is more left the company, they can go and run it, but you have to have your wife and your people second down. That means you have a aim and you have a stability, you have responsibility. But no, like you're free, you just have to do everything, they're going to make it pop down. But go up in line and have to come back down here and come run the business. So I want to show me say, you're ready for the business. So as soon as you get yourself a wife and me pay for the wedding and everything, no matter, don't get no girl a rich, because a rich girl then cocky. Get yourself a poor girl, that means we're not fancy and not too fussy. She come in our place and she not too ready eye. Get one of them girl there. She get everything what she want. If family poor, we help out the family too. That means nobody not jealous. If you have sister, help out the sister too. Help out everybody, nobody not jealous of her. Everybody is good. Alright? That is it, man.
I think me have an idea how we do me I go to still another.
Yes, man. Find yourself a good woman, settle down with, man. You know what I mean? You have to do something, man, because I want to left the place there, you know? You're a big son and you, when you fear yet, I 2 people gone already. Right? I mean, I fear yet.
God, so more
be a girl, but you all of the girl them, see all them married off and gone and foreign. So are you that Jamaica now? The sister,
so most of them know say, yeah, my father, and they know say, you have a whole heap of money and so some of them only come around to me for money. So I don't really find a loyal one yet. But I think I have an idea still. I think I go just go on different location and try to move like me now have nothing and see if I can find another loyal one day.
Oh, like coming to America?
Yeah.
Yo, you know, say smart. Just like coming to America, you can do it, man. Without the Murphy, you go out there in your old clothes and just their place and bill and see how they respond to you and see what go on.
Because all like girl live in a few areas, so all of them
They know, yeah, they know, they
so
know.
basically, just money them are going so I can look future with them. I take your advice to them.
Yeah, man, that's it, man. That's it. But you understand what I say to you, though?
I understand, yes.
Yeah, because end of the day, start from nothing and now we have things. And just like you start from nothing, we can't go back to nothing. You understand? You think I'm bankrupt, we probably lose everything. We don't want that. Someone you can build from what they already. When we go up in line, you say you maximize the potential of the business. So you get better and then you do more. And then after more, you do new. You can start a new business. You understand? Alright, so that's good still. So what you say, what I do today? Because my mother go up on the beach. We go kayaking. We go kayak. Because I try to live the life.
So I go and lock in a room and play some game.
Alright, do what you have to do. Because you know where you go. One painter will come to the condition to touch it up, because the place I get pale out. I make it paper cover, I change the color, I'm not sure yet. But anyway, go and do what you do. You know, your family and your mother, we're there on the beach and enjoy yourself. Nobody call my phone unless it's an emergency. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. Alright.
So me today I'm definitely put my cook for you. I go buy food.
Can me even spy you there?
Me did there in a room.
I'm never gonna stay there.
So
The hungry man, I couldn't wait. I don't know the rest of us on the same buy me for food.
me have some money to give you still, so me can get paid today.
No, go to the supermarket and pick up something. Things where the house needed. Just go check in the cupboard and the fridge and so we need. And yeah, buy food.
Alright. So this one I go look up in the food like house today. So look what the camera for me.
And lazy, she lazy.
If you go look what the man.
You can't get something on spy your work there.
She have to write her application letter so I'm job here and fair.
So you need to do that. Yeah.
But she have to serious coming now and she come up to come shame me.
Exactly. You want no man on a fool a little reason. You know, after age, you know, when you can date and get married and stuff like that and start an own family. You want to find a program. You understand? You get a little riff-raff. You look pay this boy where I'll hang up on the corner and smoke ganja and pay them. You don't want that fool now. You understand? When I college student, you know, they good and not good girls, so you don't find somebody good. Now bring a riff-raff in there. Come here with
Me and I stay already in a work, me praying so.
You know,
no woman to come in a working man also.
Okay, so do so. I don't want a poor man either. I want one that can take care of me. And I want to start on the family, take care of the children. So you don't have to go on the welfare. You understand me?
Alright, Mum, we are going to go to the supermarket and buy some new fair.
Yeah.
I'm going to look at it.
One look.
Go look for the closet. I'm going to cook in.
Right, one could know.
So what?
Servicing.
You just leave the fucker.
Go on now, go on. You go.
Come with me, I know mommy.
You know, Sasha says stay for a long time. She leaves you.
Are you put to my job?
Tuawi.
No, yeah, I will.
No, I tuawi.
Nandun.
Nande. No, mami, ako give me some more time.
Give us a photo.
Masaya.
We can go buy what you want.
Nande, may TV o tayo.
We can go buy what you want. Okay, do it, girl. I'm not getting no of this.
Are you going to if you're not getting it?
I feel mommy there, man.
Tell me that.
I'm going to talk to you. Hi. I'm my sister.
Oh, no, sister. One no favor.
Yes, I go. Where I pray?
And then I see her from when I said, yeah, I get a chance to
tell us I like you because you just a move. So every time you see it on bike or so.
Oh well. They're really interested coming. I like people, so I don't know that.
But your sister know me.
That's she, me don't know, but I don't think it can work. So, like,
Never had this.
But you can't get to know me.
whatever.
I'm going.
No, you're good.
Where you go?
I'm not going to forget something.
Oh, you see a friend do a thick one. I mean, I tell her, I say, I like her, and she said she don't really like keep long hours. They can't set the link with me.
We don't know that go work, you know, because I see your fear mother say if you have money, if you can get her.
Are your friend, man, just talk to her and make sure you're cool out and very and things here.
As I tell her before, yeah, if you have money, if you can go in and find.
Alright, then, don't worry about that. Make it up.
Ugly. Come on, man. Let me see something in there. Let me see you can't chat down the side of ugly lucky man. Put them dirty like my plant jam. Remember, mommy. You just said that you like me. And the boy look all broke. You have to mix up stuff. Stop it up.
I'm not in here, but you're not feeling. I'm not in here. Man, always I'm gonna call woman. That's what was made from. Man, always I'm
Mommy, I tell him I'm not interested, so she thought like me they attack me. I tell him I'm not interested because I don't like people.
You get the breakfast stuff?
Me get everything.
Alright, that's good. So we'll pack out the stuff then. You pack out the things then.
I like it, make you come tell mommy, move from here and hold it. Give me this. Go from here, so you're ugly light. Mommy, me gonna lie down, get she done.
Alright. Okay.
Where's that going now? Can't wake me up in the middle of sleep.
You ever sleep when sun at? You say sun at?
Wish you
You
could
ever
tell me
rise
when to
up
sleep.
before sun?
Wish you could tell me where's that going now?
Your friend, man. If you blow, don't you take your friend, you know. Don't you talk to them. Not them. If thick one, don't you talk to. Just talk to them and tell them, say, me a good youth, me have money, but me a work. You know, mix it.
Mixy. Being on no money, so if you tell people say you want the man and
But you can't do one little program for me. Just do this for me.
So
I'm
when
gonna
you
ask
get
you back
out
for
time?
now. Me can give you a little change in your pocket.
when we can
Don't worry
get
about that. Tomorrow evening, just check me tomorrow
it.
evening.
Make sure that I get it tomorrow.
Yeah man, me nah grow on it. So I'm say yeah come from college. Yeah? And I'm from BC school where I grew up from. So you know me nah listen them really. Just do that to me.
When I don't do what I do, I go check her.
Alright. Make sure you check her.
Yeah.
Alright.
Look at
Yeah. Yes, what is that? Kiki.
yeah, mama.
No,
I see you. Remember my friend.
Where's the boy I kiss Steve?
When I was.
When I have a chat, I
Don't tell me that.
don't know that.
Give me something to tell you.
Enough.
You just say no big song.
So basically, I'm gonna come over here for now. I'm like, you tell us, say, I want rich boy to be right.
Mom, the sound
boy,
interested.
come
Check with the system, I'm lie down. The sound interested.
Come.
Come.
Why are you bored? You boy, why here? Yes, girl, the boys don't have money and all these things. And knowing how on phone them see and thing, we know say if a boy come to you, you have to have money. So yes, sir.
You think have money? Alright, let me say uno.
Ready?
Come on.
Come on, here fast.
Come man, just come my back door.
Can't come out.
Yeah.
Me inquisitive, you know. So any bill now come here come.
Come my back door, I go outside.
Alright, now come now. Yo, Toga. Yo,
Yeah, man, I hear.
you can meet me on the front as well.
Which one?
Oh, that's the auntie. Meet some groceries.
Alright, we're forward. Yeah.
Right, you need something to set the link video. And something to care from, so no care on the sand.
What is it?
Come on. I know she didn't sleep once yesterday.
Palm the foot dusty and shit. Just put them on the side. You agree with me like me now.
Girl, you damn good idiot is bored. I know she can't come with that rich man.
My friend.
Yeah.
This a boy.
Time not have the money.
Of course, you have money. Why not talk about? If a rich father have, you know, look how much land and sitting in father have in a name.
Money.
Actually, just call him out of blues and in get youths. That's why.
Up by farm there.
Big land and farm and then things. If anyone say me, we go and go call mommy.
You love call mommy, so.
Everything you can tell me.
Never judge a book by cover. Yeah?
So why me though? Why me?
No, I just see him like him, like how you shape and you just.
Are you sure you have money?
Yeah, I have money.
Mom, I don't think my mother would accept you in without money. Like we don't.
Right now,
support
we can
brothers.
tear down this place I wanna live in. One business I can use and building a big house right now.
Interested? I was gonna
One
see that
paycheck.
nothing.
No man, my father left everything in my name and me around everything, much land. I have land right, that's so go straight back down.
So when you think you would be free, so I could take it to my mom because I think I have to bring it over.
Anytime, man, anytime.
You already know?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Please call mommy.
You willing?
Ready.
Mommy willing. You know that's what it's going already. So before mommy come, I can ask a few questions.
Yeah, man.
What's your name?
They call me Tugger, but my name Romeo.
Where you from?
Backbush me come from, man. Backbush. Up where the big cow them there always around.
No good people not come from Backbush, you know. I be a broke man come from around me.
And a backbush, you know, backbush.
I want a Backbush, a back home.
Yeah. Different side of bush. Backbush over there, so backbush.
Yes, now I'm making one.
Do your name now.
I think I just stay till mommy come.
No, man, she can go, man.
Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, we go check you.
My name Kiki.
Oh, nice name, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Mommy!
You should come, man. I want to come back.
Yeah.
So I rent to the rent, yeah, so. Into no come.
You understand my mother house, but she did lock up with it up in her apartment.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, so I want to fix up though, because I see I hold this up. So maybe I apply. I deal with the phone still. I want to tell. There now.
Come a minute. Walk on, no Tessa. Walk on. Go sit down. Who are these guys? What am I doing in my yard? You know something,
guys.
there's something like people come to my yard. You know?
These guys, mommy.
Him. How him?
Well, my best friend introduced, come over here to try to introduce me to a rich man.
Me and Ricky Jackson, son.
Oh, you?
Yeah,
Okay,
my
fine.
father
Them.
own a plaza them on the land. Them.
Yeah, and they come to me the other day, you know, and they tell me saying, would I
Yeah,
come
my
back?
father did send me the land, you know. From the stretch, I go back to my father land. So
You know himself, explain to me, he tell me.
Oh.
But from the other day, they're supposed to come over here, come meet me. Are you just come?
No, man, at them, I say them, no one, no man. No, we just explain.
As I me teach them that.
Well, mommy,
Me teach them that because they are good girls and grow up in a decent home. Even though I lost my husband, they grew up in a decent home. They brought them in a church to fear God. Even though them slide away, but still, they are decent children. You understand?
Yeah.
So they reach the age now when can date. I tell them, say, look, they have to find somebody good. I don't want to look at yaga come catch up on my fence and I smoke ganja and something. I hear them something there. And smoke, because we don't
anyways,
smoke.
mommy, my best friend came over and said he was. Well, he was talking to me before. As my sister did tell him, say, the broke man attacked him with the gas shop. It was you.
It was you?
Yeah, my judge book by cover to me there and some clothes. They are work up by farm.
So nice.
Oh, saying I work in a come from.
Yes, so they take my bro.
Well, then can't the best come and teach them that.
I tell her I like her, I like how she shape with that. I really like to start a relationship with her. I would take care of her, you know that. You know my father.
Yeah, me know, say, me know your father. Your father decent man, me know that.
Your mother know. Right?
Alright, me accept you.
You accept?
Accept.
Okay.
I'm sorry, where he was coming from. So come come from work.
Yeah,
and-
right,
and
no,
from the
work
farm.
by farm, me
Yeah, now we're clean. You next thing to sparkle clean. Ma
by
come from.
farm, me there. Me have my car and see, you know, I just me
Nice
walk.
try, you get through.
Very nice to meet you. Thank you.
Alright. Okay. So are you gonna be free next Wednesday?
Yeah, man, I'm free every day. I'm work, I can put in a number.
Alright, so next Wednesday my half more you come over for dinner. So we can
Alright.
talk more.
Yeah.
And if you want you can bring your mommy and your daddy too.
No, man, them good, man. Them
Alright,
supposed to
so-
fly out tomorrow.
Alright, so you're forward then.
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright.
So it's nice talking to you.
Nice to see you then, yeah?
Yeah, take care.
Alright.
And listen, you talk, you can be too much man.
Yeah, so mommy can chat.
You talk, you come out to make the girl lose her pot of
Here are. The guy there starts like here are. But him foot dirty. A broke man. And it, you have to get to the top pepper
You
your
can't,
mouth.
sometimes you can't judge the book by the cover because the cover look dirty, but inside the book brand new and clean.
Mommy, if you hold your lip and turn here, don't touch me.
You
Ugly girl.
must be lose her dress. You put a nice big dress. You cannot see that. You put her rich, you know?
Eh?
You put her rich.
No,
A rich
I don't know about that. You look broke.
You not broke. A rich family, they have money. And they can set up your sister and take care of your sister.
You wanna set him up?
You don't know, you might meet one of the cousins so you can date him and get married. And money we are dealing with. You understand what I say?
I'm money right now with him.
Yeah.
Emily.
Yo, me come.
Let me greedy. Yo, why you?
Yes, everyone.
It's settling. Yeah. Soon check up on that thing, then over yourself. Come pick it up money tomorrow.
Make sure you know.
Even me I can check it. I'm a virgin. Be right too. Although you never want to do it though. Yeah,
No,
so
because
no
we
money,
tell you they love money. So,
no, man, I go start out a little thing for you, man. So, you link here. We go over there and I say, girl, if you want me. And she said, yeah, man, we will. So, we get the link. We get her number and everything.
alright,
So, me check it tomorrow.
alright. Second I sleep, second I love sleep, so. Hey, girl, get up.
Mama, take her.
Now go and come.
You tell mommy?
No, I'm going to the
I'm going to have to man sleep. Go and do it. But then, yeah.
Huh?
But yeah.
You want them?
No, sir.
You sure? No, when I come back, you tell me one bag of
I
high.
kept one chocolate for me. I'll go give back your money when I come back.
Make sure.
So you come back and see. I'll get back to you.
Come with me.
I'll get back. Hello?
Yeah,
I'm there, right?
I'm going to get a check in idea now. Yes, sir.
I can't forward, man. Forward.
So, what you had?
Yeah, remember when I back here? Talk to you back door.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's some material phone still. But then I reach Silver Mountain time.
Alright, when I come here, talk.
Alright. Good.
Yeah, you?
Yeah, man, there, man.
So I pray.
You carry this of you.
Oh, thank you.
You like
You're such a darling. Yeah.
You love seed now more than sir. We need this, sir. But this is how I make careful. My father owned the company and me.
Oh,
I'm
thanks.
just take over one care from here.
Yeah.
Good mom there, man.
So you work today?
No, I work myself, remember, as I said. I mean, run the whole of my father's company.
It don't really matter if I work today, so not if I don't work today.
No, I'm not work today. They could deal with some ply and some solitex. One bag of something phone, zinc and some other stuff. Furniture wise and some they kind of busy up there earlier on.
Okay.
That's it. So, that I want surprise still. As I up on the phone, around mountain them I reach.
Oh.
Yeah.
So anyways, we have to see you today.
Yeah, but it's in there going to get a check now.
Oh, you want to chill with me?
Everything you have.
Okay.
Your mother there?
Yeah, Mom is supposed to be in our room.
No, so I take up 110 grand because yeah, I'm feeling a Jeep one so. But I come back see me can get her.
Okay.
Oh, you have money, I go with money.
Yeah.
You have money?
They can't give me a money, man.
Alright. Later, no, still no. Yeah. If I get no money from nowhere else, place I can take it. Because I'm not really sure when I come back.
Okay.
But I will forward on it and because I look more. I do some run up and down.
Alright,
But you
my
can
dear,
drink this. You never drink alcohol, so I get the one that don't alcohol.
Alright. But they still, but Monday I go back to work, so.
Oh, you work?
Yeah, I work at hotel.
Hotel.
Yeah, hotel myself.
Oh, Camingo. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to tell me no, don't tell us I'm house.
Anyways, I did one Netflix and show with the still. I don't know if you're really.
Yeah,
Come like I'm busy.
you can watch one movie do half it today.
Alright, let me put on this.
Alright.
Don't mind, in the under clean from morning. Come and get up.
Yeah, that, let's see one.
So, the remote is over here. B, you see the part there? B,
Yeah.
you see the part there?
Let's see it on. But, and I won't go and run.
Yeah. So, later.
Alright, may see you next time, eh?
Yeah.
When I come, I check up and look at thing and give my dollar.
Alright.
Remember, me have a thing, them a come mountain, you know, renovate the place.
You can live with me?
No, man, we don't reach that part there yet. Me, come on, don't want to live so we have to come up on my place. Yeah?
Alright. And this is my place.
No, I'm not this your place, but me have my style, babe.
And I'm going to pray, alright, later.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Oi,
Oh, God.
like you want people more money to that bill too. So what going to money and sell to them all get.
Oh, come out there, son. Come and you can check it in. Yeah, go on. You can check your yesterday. Come go check your nigga. Come do some work for your nigga. Come on, man. Do some work for your nigga. What your nigga say? You know, strap up. I need you on 2 grand, but if you get 100,000, so you have a balance to me now. So, this evening, so I will check him. I will really do some painting work. I will check him. Look more things. You did. I really think I yesterday, I'm going to buy a clothes. I buy a clothes. As soon as we get the money.
Make sure you know, but I will start thing.
Yeah, man, we just give a friend one champagne. A long time champagne with my granny. She's dead left. I don't really feel bad to give it still, but I'm my granny. Nothing shall pull it now. Maybe we can steal it back. No one. I don't know. But I'll take you back. Yeah, call my granny something. Can't take my granny something. Just guarantee. Think that me have a little change.
Sure,
You know?
just.
But we check it still. Yeah?
Alright, I'm good on so.
There you go.
Yes, no, there's a.
But, you can't tell me if you
I look, see me come here, say yellow.
come here. Yeah, I'm here for you.
Yeah, check.
You know, say, boy, come check me. You look like you have money if you cash something, go give me. And I think you want back a champagne, go give me, and I talk about my father owned the company. And I talk about he order some ply for you to fix up your place.
So you take that then?
He order them for you, it a come out there.
Girl. Now there's safety in the bed. You like him not at all.
I wonder why.
My spirit not take him.
Why?
My spirit not take him.
Why?
My spirit just take him.
You're lucky. I'm my man, I have to live with it.
I'm not saying it.
Okay. So where they come from? So you take so long to come back?
So I can't go.
I say you can wake up and go to work and I say where you come from? I say work.
Yeah.
Confidentially.
Mm-hmm.
That is it. So you're good? You eat already?
No, it's not your fault.
You eat already?
It's not.
You eat already?
No. I'm going to check.
For what?
It's something.
Mommy not no money to give
You
you.
not talk about money
You
for
have to go look
mommy.
work. And stop take out the look money when I give mommy to mind herself. I want me to you. Go look work and leave mommy alone. You know how man?
Yeah.
Me know you don't hide on a date man, make them buy your things in yam. Or
Which
stop
man
the
they
broke man, you know your mommy say.
But man.
Stop talk to broke man.
Yes,
They supposed to can buy something to eat and stop depend on mommy, you're a big girl. You got college, you have a certificate, you can't go get work easy. How much subject you have and you got college girl. Stop take mommy money and go look things for yourself. So. Auntie, you must feel like a joke me and me go only and papa have all the place and a freaking ear. Me don't talk to you.
I'm good.
Me not busy what you want and don't ask me no question.
How ugly like? Let me have to answer. Kiki.
Yo,
I'm going.
come there. You good?
Good.
When I go there, come back and tell me about money and come back. Huh?
Girl, I'm really busy at this some stuff. But anyway, still more I'm going to planning.
So good, we just take things real slow. So,
Real slow.
real slow. So I'm going from your side. How life I treat you?
Me, well, one next work, you know, because I want to now work out for me.
As when me tell my sister write one application letter your resume and I drop you off out of my workplace and they recall you because they want people. They want people.
Girl, as we reach some write up application.
Yeah, man, right here. Because they want people.
I'll do a new one because this one.
You can write the bag. Wait, I'm about to be back at work. And may I tell you, so the boy come over here with you and tell me, say, today, me have to go with you. Today, he come over here. And me and him did a talk also. And I'm going to say, other some fly food. But you now come till month.
You know, say.
Yeah, boy, I carry champagne to come give me. And I try to sweep me up, but I'm a father own the make company. You don't know what it but I'm a father own the make company. I'm just take one of them care come give you.
Keep going.
Boy, nice.
You know, say. What you do? Are you the caretaker now?
So we up to see yesterday.
We haven't to do.
I kind of dance to work. I now go on the road to me rest because I have work Monday. So I have to rest my body to walk around.
That's all me I do right now until me tomorrow I can come get me drop it down here. What time I got work tomorrow?
No, Monday I say I go work.
What tomorrow, Monday?
I reach work by 9:30.
Alright, I'll link at 8 o'clock.
Alright.
I'm going to go downstairs.
I'm going to lie down to go do alone. So don't watch for.
The sun's raining. Let's hear.
Mommy,
Huh?
let's tell you.
What happened?
Like, you just come tell me about a boy go buy appliance.
Which boy?
Rich
man's son? You know that him for do the right thing, I do.
You say I believe that thing?
Yeah, of course I will do it. Why would he say I will do it and don't do it? I don't think he's a lie. He seems to be a genuine person.
I don't believe.
Why you don't believe? Why you don't believe?
I'm not like you, I'm not just saying that.
You can't do that. You see, you keep judging the book by the cover and tell you to stop. Sometimes you judge people and you judge them wrongly. And when you talk about them or say about them, that's not what it is. Something is different. So just leave it alone. She like him like her, leave it alone.
So if you can get her tonight picture and I'm going to tell you, you know?
You can't blame nobody. You can't blame nobody. So it sounds like you're jealous of your sister. You jealous of her? Sound like you're jealous. The way you talk.
Just look out.
But I tell you I would already say to leave it alone. Leave it.
I'm going to leave.
The guy seems to be a very nice person. We meet his dad, he means same thing. I don't think it's a bad family. No, looks is deceiving still, but let's give it a chance. You never know. Give it a chance. If it don't work or so, but if you say it will work. What you need to do, you need to focus on yourself and start focus on your big sister. She ain't baby no more. So focus on yourself. You go out there, go find a nice guy and get married and settle down and start a family. Because you can't stay in the house forever. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright, so do what you have to do. And take care of yourself. Alright. Okay.
Oi, Papa food again, Papa food.
How going on?
You know, say something, you know what going on.
You got pressure, mister. I tell you something soon, check it. No, tell me that man may not have money like that. I trick me and trick a girl. Like. I just have pressure, mister. I just have a little thing here, start up. I soon get a change. Right? You know me not have money and I trick you. Right?
Trick them.
Yeah. You know deep in the heart, you see a juggle me a juggle round and round.
Me know deep in the
So me buy a bicycle a day. This cost me 10,000.
Yeah, tell me how much it costs. Look all alright, you see how you link me and tell them some.
The
Say when you link me,
soon
tell
thing, man.
girl.
Listen
It's so fast me do it, me match up the time.
Alright, so this evening I'm pass. I'm not
No, not tell me about not this evening. Come on,
This
kind of starting
is
at the
evening.
pan.
Alright, right now me I go by now. Right now. But this evening, now check here. No longer this evening. So smooth check that.
Okay, so what I cool?
Yes.
Morning.
Only 0 day.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but one of them coconut sweet.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thanks.
Thank
Thank you.
Alright, then. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Bye.
Where's the light?
Oh yeah, go.
Mama, okay, mother.
My phone come. Yeah.
You go say, yeah?
Morning. In there. Oh, where mother day?
In the room, they don't put in bed.
Can I have a minute?
Alright.
Good day, man.
Why sun too hot now?
You tell her it's on hot.
Sun hot, but man, no matter what you do, the AC I run so till I just hot it up. Look at the AC.
I think when you come to make I hear something still, you know, because I feel, say, alright, let me make it hear one. Listen to this. You know, say something, let me know what going on. You know what going on already.
You not pressure me, sir. Tell some smooth check it.
How that quick boyfriend?
Same boy, yes.
Same boy.
I just have pressure me, say. I just have to think me inside. I'm soon get jail.
So what's going on?
Him a trick, no. He don't have no money.
So the business and I like them I tell and for them.
Yes, I lie, I tell he don't have nothing.
Hey, I care about that.
Hold on 1 second, don't even say nothing. So wait a minute, wait there, go text time. You go too fast now. So the father lied too? The word of my lying?
No, your father, but the boy I tell lie.
So the father money man depend on.
No feel my father.
And
I
I
lie, I tell. I find out and record the part that I couldn't hear. So no can know say I lie, I tell.
She said it, you know. From day one, she said she not trust him. She said something about him. She said she feels that the boy a liar. So how you find out?
On the road, I see him. And I need to check me for sitting. And then I say sitting to him and I tell me about how say I trick them.
He tell you that personal?
Because me and him are friends from school days, you know, so he will tell me things.
You know what tell you?
I know spot him with.
So, you want to kick in a
We up in some bush part, but...
Mommy,
Huh?
my kick in a shop.
Oh yes, we just passed them out there, so... I go up the road.
No man, this is serious. I know what I'm gonna do. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. No, I'm not gonna do.
Okay, I'm not just going to open that.
You've been saying it. You've been saying it from day one. You say you don't trust him and something about the boy a lie. And you don't like him. You've been saying it. Don't worry yourself.
them dirty.
Don't worry yourself. Yeah, but it's at the farm. I come from me work in a bush.
Eh?
I'm saying working at the farm, not the bush. Hold on 1 second. Plate. Plate. Play the voice note.
Oh, somebody a bad.
Don't worry yourself, man. Just calm down.
Nobody a bad.
Hold on.
Alright.
Put your foot on the brake. Hold on. Plate.
You know, say something when you know what going on. You know what going on already.
Pressure me, sir. Tell some smooth check it. No, say me not have money like that. I check it girl.
How far is that? How far is that?
There's a little fear there.
How far is
Now
that?
feel close.
Mommy, let him, mommy.
I tell mom to let him. Let that play the piece with
Mommy, I
that
can't
shit.
see him with that car. One door.
How does that boy take me one nice woman to share with me? Eh? Hey boy.
Mommy, I'm just confused that she doesn't want me.
Come on, the front. You go. The boy take me one nice woman to come to my yard and come to my daughter. Come work so hard to take care of. My mother. A boy, I'm a woman boy, you know.
Peace.
I know.
No, somebody come knock on the front of the door and I'm going.
You know hard
You
work.
got me sweet one, me buy you.
You know hard work. Huh? I said,
You about
college.
to want fruit, you put
Are you
them
coming
on.
with your lying tongue? I can't lie. Eh? I can't
You don't like it,
No,
dad.
no. You don't lie,
You
man.
lie, you put dirty, you did never have no money. You have broke
And then you
boy.
can't lie, boy.
I don't like it, dad.
I'm the one sent me to school.
Where?
You know,
Broke boy. You can't trick me. You broke boy. Where?
You know, nothing.
Where?
Oh, look, what boy.
Go, you're Molly. Where? Molly boy. You fry your son, man. You're Molly like. Come on, you're my Molly.
You never like him.
Shut up.
She never liked him. From the beginning, she never liked him. Something did wrong. She see it, she smell it, she taste it, and she see it.
I don't like the girl thing.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
I feel man Molly.
Don't say that to your sister. Come, leave her, your sister.
You see you? You can't believe say I'm a friend. I see you go over there go sell me out.
Then Tugga, you tell me about friend.
Come out the road.
You tell me about, if you can't relate me. You tell me about friend. Much time I style, man. What this too?
Oh, for it.
You say they got to take it back. What be your granny?
So we take it back for. We did go
If
over
you friends
there.
and I know, then tell my friends that you don't want. You don't want any that.
3 years now, my
You
grandmother.
go like you want to style people too much. Boy, you have money.
Me have money.
Where?
Me just not rich yet.
Yet.
Time now. At 2020 from my year, this a year. You do, it's if I know one, and you see me on the road, you turn back.
Who turn back? When it's my friend right, go on the
And
left.
splash you up. Remember, say me tell her, yeah?
You go on business.
You see me soon get rich.
One boy broke like. You go something more for the
One cannot take it to you where you get.
Oh no,
Food from you,
stop
so.
it. Stop it.
You feel like me like you?
Stop
Me like that. I mean,
One
friends that
side.
go on the man.
Side.
Mama, she feel one space. She look up, she
One
be
side,
bigger
please.
than her.
That
She
not
have
say,
Doesn't
manners.
say go. And you don't have the right to say that. You're wrong. Tell her say you're sorry. Apologize to her.
Some people tell
No, tell her you say you shouldn't say that to her.
Me say me hate the
No,
little girl.
quiet. No matter what happened, you're not still sisters. You can't fight. No fighting about no my family. No. Go so. You go so, go cool down, and you go so, go cool
Me
down.
not like you like everything in your
Shh,
laptop.
that not say.
Quiet. Me thumping in your mouth.
Quiet, peace. Go in there, so. But she not wrong.
More fire.
She right. The boy was no good. Boy come out with a lying tongue. Go talk about it in father.
But mommy, suppose the boy didn't have money, I feel she did have the same thing.
No, she wouldn't.
She did have the boy not have no money, suppose the boy did have
But she
money.
fight because she feel it.
Because somebody here look for mine.
No,
she move from you.
she feel it. She feel and she wasn't wrong. She wasn't wrong. Her instinct was right. And thank her for what she do. Me only here for tell her thank because if I never she wouldn't find out
You know,
everything.
say I'm good enough to go find out.
Exactly.
Then you have plan up with him, say you figure your money if you come tell me say you're rich. It would reach no further than how you rich,
And
because
she
she come to me.
And she
Me
can,
never
You know,
plan
Mr.
up because me never know. Find out and come tell me. Oh, me here say me have no money.
And I say go.
you
You
need to.
tell him boy to give
You
him
done with
money.
it too? You done with it?
So all me to tell him sorry. And as she come
You
up
done
and
with
you
it
come
too?
tell me about rich
Oh,
man,
man.
rich
And best friend do it.
No, sir.
Go along round the say, they say you look up in here to stop it chatting for her.
Listen to man.
I'm saying I tell her something.
You're on this man.
I want to go on here. This is not right at all. This is
And she has still my friend. Come my friend.
This is not right.
Bye. You beg?
I'm a big
Go
son.
along round for man.
She
She come good on you know.
just said thank you here. Thanks.
Yeah man.
She just say it. I mean you say it. You say it.
She did like the boy, mommy, and
no, she never liked him. She never liked him. She never
didn't like the boy and I never see the boy like so she did better and don't like the boy after that.
Something like that different boy.
The boy tell me to my face, say your sister know me, Sister know me, the boy and the boy never want you.
I mean, I know you call the boy food come like out.
You know what I need to do? Only need to apologize to each other. That's all I need to do. Apologize to each other. My sister. You know, sisters. And blood is thicker. Blood is thicker than water.
Come here. Tell him to come back in teething good. We don't want it. Tell him to come back in teething good. We don't want it. How are you?
This is the here too, trouble. You know what happened? We should have prayed about and we didn't pray. We jump because the boy come in the line tongue with him, but we never talk to God about it, and that's wrong. Everything we do, we must ask God first and get God contribution.
Just find out very attractive to him, I don't know why. So I'm ask if I could have get to know you more.
I can't give my number, I text, but I'm not really like to talk to people, so I can't take my like your trouble still.
Well, tell you the truth, me the hard working you to understand. I'm rich enough, but I like to just work. I'm work every day, you know. Right now for you, I will get all a second job to show you I'm rich. I'm not rich, but I'm trying, you understand?
I sound interested, give me your number.
Yeah, take my number. 79975.
Alright, me text here, my name Kiki.
Where you
How your name?
So
Let me ask you your name. That's why I Kiki.
Alright. I really want if we reach to a level we can take things official because can't bother fear hide. Understand? Me suppose if you can forward at your yard and sit down and watch Netflix or have popcorn and eat and laugh and chat. Not like your roadside business.
Yeah, I understand, but
You well want your family them, especially your mother knows so we innocent. Can't bother the hiding business, you
I
understand?
understand, but you have to understand
But
my
you know
side.
think so if people say we on road, their mother gonna know, so you know look on that.
Yeah, it don't really matter by that way. Everybody know my secretive. And the next thing too, you have to understand my side. Remember me just come out of a relationship where nigga come in with one bag of lie. You understand?
Well, may I tell you the truth as I tell you before. Me not rich, me not have money. You understand? And me say your personality and I like for really run down with someone. Me say just because of your mother, though.
Yeah.
So I kinda like how you work out with me, understand? Yo! There, you know. I'm follow you, bro. Come on. No, hear you. You know what's very jump on the road, that's all. If I tell you the truth, I really can't bother to hide things from you no more. Because me as a man, I don't like to lie. You understand? And rate you. I'm going to bring the truth to you. You understand? So, I'm going to just let you to really think about what I say. So the last name I'm going to tell you about now, I have to go do a research on it. You understand?
It's last name.
Powell. Yeah, research on it because I tell my father about me and you last night. You understand? And he's saying that likes me because my father is a family man. You understand? And he's saying that I want to check you and know who you be. You understand? So hopefully, I don't know when it's maybe if you get a chance today or tomorrow. So I don't think I'm going to bother forward now. So I don't know you have to look out for him tomorrow or anything. But research your last name, well.
Alright.
You know everything's done very nice. So later. Text me here.
Alright.
Go on, now watch what you're going.
Yeah.
Which if I could have tell her to yell up your mother, so alright. Alright.
The blessed morning, Mama. I'm the person who called up on the phone. One thing, you must know about enterprise, how much business we have in our place, right?
Yeah, about to know.
Yeah, man. So, from one day, my son, I tell me, say, if I'm interested in one of your daughter, them.
Kiki.
Kiki, that one. Why everybody like that one? I don't know. You know?
Kiki a good girl, you know. Kiki finished high school and college and everything. A good girl, man. She just need to find a nice guy now and get married and settle down.
Alright, so that's the topic I'm aiming for now. Because I want my son to run a business. Because I expand. So I left one of the business place. And I'm in charge. But I don't want to give him the business and in wild. Out of every girl on the place, I want him to have a one wife. So settle down and build a future. That me I promote.
That's good.
Yeah, so
That's good.
you say if like your daughter, so me just come make you know. You know what I mean?
So why you never bring him come and introduce him to me today? Since you come over.
No, you know. I come make big people talk. And then when we talk,
Yeah.
no dog back.
Okay.
Yeah. So if everything is okay then and everything is good, you know where you go. Right. So let me answer now. I'm saying this to say that we want to love each other. We can do a wedding. You not worry about money, we have to do a big wedding. Right? And
As me not have money like that.
yeah, don't worry yourself, man. You say we have money. So we do a big wedding and then marry down, we put it down, you know, make sure that we go into the book. Guinness Book of Wedding, because I'm a one son, you know. So
Okay.
someone want to go through good. Yeah, get some pitney, but then do it a road, and we can't talk about them. We can call them bastard, but we really call them bastard. See, wife I have, when I from school days, you know what I mean?
So you go to your marriage?
We have to go out there. Because some temptations or something where the girl them wear. So my time, we try to block it out, but then put it in my way, so I have to knock it out. So
Well, you have to learn to control
I
yourself.
try, I'm doing it that now. Whenever I see something well up, like the time say but I'm talk out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I'm just trying to man off right. Yeah man. So anyway, when I worry about that stuff, and I mean we come to talk about. We come to talk about Kiki and my son getting together. Right? So I don't like to talk to Kiki, because I don't talk to you now and you say everything's okay. I go say my son come, you see him. Then two of them link, you know, two of them are linked, when they not see them, but they are linked.
No, Kiki very
It's secret-
secretive, you know.
secretive.
Yeah, it's Kiki not tell me nothing at all.
Alright. But where's Kiki now?
We supposed to run the back, you know.
Call her, tell her someone talk to her there, come on, go back on the road. Go do some stuff, because today's a very busy day for me.
Kiki!
Yes, mommy.
Come here, my darling. We are.
I'm
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Hello. Good morning.
Yeah, blessed. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Nice meeting you. My son tell me a lot about you. That's too cute there. Puppy Dan. Yeah, my son. So, he
So
said,
you don't think you guys dating? You never said nothing to me. You're so private. I mean, it's okay. You can date now. You finish college and everything. You're not wrong with that.
alright, so you want to know mommy? I like to have a reason. Because is there a place we can have a reason for us guys to go?
Yeah, I can go on the back porch or something.
Alright, let's do that then. Yeah, man. It's actually a busy day, but take the time out. Because, you know why I come to the room?
I think we have an idea, but I'm not sure.
The son, I tell me, say, he find a liking in you. And then I fall in love, I fall in like, I don't fall in love. So I just want to come see in person, you know what I mean? You just don't talk to your mother already, you know what I mean? So now kids, I'm not gonna go and do enough for them, right? But I'm not gonna tell us and not hurt him, but we do the best one we can do, right? Because I believe in family, you know what I mean? Me and my mother there for years, from school days until now, you know what I mean? Even when me have my ways them and me do my things them, she still forgive me. You know what I mean? So that is it. So, if it's a chip off of the old block, I will try to tell him to do the best he can do. I want to just try living a love, give him blessings, right? So, I just want to organize up now and the marriage go through and then everything will pass on. So the business now, don't take the business money. If you, because we know human beings stay, them can't stay faithful all the while. Don't take the money from the business and mine no man. You understand? When you're married, try your best. Stick to find somebody. So that's just my thing overall still. Because I give him the business run, but more no say him steady. He have a wife and he have a life to set forward. You know what I mean? I don't believe in the wildness because I don't want the business not run properly. Yeah, so that's just that. So I'm concerned about. So since we are so on up and down on the day and in final like him now, we just say want to contact you without him coming to a place and we when we do it, him come. Alright? So that's that I want to check. Nice to meet you, bro. Right?
Alright.
Yes, so now that we meet you, you can call yourself my daughter-in-law. No call her my daughter-in-law. But I never ask you though. But what you seen of my son though?
Me just like him chubby and him just nice. Him dramatic and him always make me feel comfortable and feel. So to me, him is the one for me, so that's why.
Well, what you put together make no one do a standard. You know what I mean? So all the best in our relationship. Right now, so my phone message that come in over and I'm going on. Because I build one new property. So I have to focus on because we have contract today, but we don't trust nobody. That's what we do from the beginning, you know?
Alright.
Alright, so Wagwan! Wagwan! We know you will say. Yeah man, what then be a Friday?
What time?
I'm not sure yet, you know. But me have some the business documents them for file and the secretary and everything to go through. So Friday man, you want to be a Friday too? Alright, so I will see what I go on. I'll let you know. I go check out some things. I go up on the serve and circle up some things and then make you know what I go on. Alright?
Yeah, that's the time I want to know.
Yeah man. Yeah man, so me make you know the time. Alright?
Yeah.
Bonnie though. Yeah man, that is it. Go back to business like this. Go and get him. Nice to meet you again. And hope you bring all happiness to him and some good grand picnic. Right?
Evening.
Okay. How are you?
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Yeah.
Good.
Yes, so far.
Hi.
That's a little bit tired, but you're doing okay. I heard so much about you.
Alright, so sorry for you hide this from so long still. But just because my father grew me, I understand when you just go on road and brag and talk about our lifestyle, we always keep it low profile.
Yeah,
but
don't
my
fight
father is a family man and if you want to know who you be and everything. So I'm glad he come
Make them know, and you know.
Yes, he
Can
did.
tell me saying come check on you yesterday.
He did.
Yeah.
He sure
Yeah.
did. Yeah. So
Let me know you get my name and everything already. That one. So I'm glad you welcome me still in my family. And I'm glad you welcome me as a son-in-law.
I heard so much good things about you.
And I will take care of your daughter and treat her good and everything. Yeah?
I hope you don't disappoint me because I heard some very good things about you, you know?
Yeah man, I'm not disappointed man. I really love her and everything man.
Alright. It's understanding.
So me, you good?
Alright, so I'm going to leave you guys so we can talk, alright?
Yeah man, no problem man.
I'm going to go on the front porch and chill for a little while. You guys can sit and talk.
Alright.
Alright? Yeah, alright.
Yeah, okay, bro.
Give me knee. Thank you, my darling. Thank you.
Alright.
Alright. Get a baby.
You finally reaching out now.
Feel happy I know, I don't know from come in with a smile. Kind of glad.
Maybe because I get what you want. So you do.
Well, as I say, I just feel happy to be around you and everything. You say I have one sister.
Yeah.
I always see her in the background on the video call. Call her, introduce me to her.
Tiffany! Tiffany! Yeah. Come here.
Good day.
Hi.
Mm-mm.
I'm supposed to hear about me already. My sister boyfriend.
I don't know. No one after that. Negative one and no.
Yeah, good
You
though.
go on.
Yeah, I'm back in house till down.
Alright.
You don't feel better yet? Take another 2 pills after mommy done cook.
Alright.
Alright, nice meeting you.
Bye.
Alright. So what's up for the day though?
You know, me just say, we go buy something more cook and cook out today.
Think more than want me and you go out later still.
Alright.
What time?
Which one you go?
I go have ice cream and then have dinner also. So maybe we can go and watch one show first.
You want some inside?
Yeah, you can introduce me inside when I go watch one movie and everything. You eat already?
Yeah. No, mommy I cook.
So you're good then?
Yeah.
You sure? Or something to drink or you're good?
You want something to drink?
What you have in there?
We have champagne, we have orange juice, we have fruit punch.
Me take the dry champagne.
Alright, come.
You know, you can drink, you may
Yeah.
drink it and watch the movie man.
Alright.
Good evening. Oh, you look nice. You plan to go somewhere this evening?
Not really, and I'm just come talk to my wife.
Yeah, man, you look nice, man. I like your top. Is everything good?
Yeah, man, as I say, come to talk to you and because I don't know, my family, them kind of take relationship business different.
Serious, yeah.
Yeah. Basically, when I'm praying on a little play thing with your daughter. Me have to marry.
I like that. I like that. Coming and brought them up here, you know, run the street and be
man.
different guys. And
So all of my father business, you know, say once, you know, say me have it.
You're in charge. You tell me.
You know, say she have it in charge.
Yeah, man, you tell my mom. You tell me.
Kind of them.
Yeah.
So we just come and ask you if you would give me the permission.
I give you my blessing. I give you my blessing. Mama, give my blessing, man. I give you my blessing.
I really appreciate everything still. I'm really love the daughter. I'm really glad they give me a chance.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. There.
Yes. You can make one deal,
What?
You want to tell me one deal?
What kind of deal?
You still love my sister?
Yeah.
We can make one deal with you with one of them.
A lie.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what deal though?
You're a good mother.
Kiki, come here.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Deal.
Oh, yeah.
Listen, she have company, you know, the man has she have company. You couldn't wait, is that important?
Yeah.
What's so important?
Yeah.
You couldn't wait until later when the gentleman is gone?
So does this
You want to
You go and talk to you.
They want to.
Alright, go on with you, Shess. Let him keep
Come
going.
on. Stay out.
Yeah, man.
Hey man, I give you all my blessing. And I wish you guys all the best in life.
Yeah, man.
Prosperity, joy, and you know, happiness.
Your mother, our father really love her and everything.
That's good. That's good. And they always say, all time people always say, once the man love you, you're gone clear. You're good to go. You understand? So,
I get one call. Yeah, man.
Ano Wala na feed na feed. Wala na ina feed.
food in my fridge. Food alright. Look at the fridge roll. What want to Kiki? She wake up yet?
Kiki gone from last night.
But Kiki gone.
Me see man one boy down there to top.
Which
And
boy?
in the packing come up last night, come packing back.
The same boy from up in the hills. No Kiki was gone, son to nobody.
She said she don't want married to a nigga. Staying in my way.
The guy like her and she seemed that she like the guy, so I give them my blessing. So what's the problem? She don't like him, then she just tell the man the truth. Well, she have the guy keep on coming and taking things. That not nice and I take all gift from him. You probably nice car when buy. That not good. Tell the man the truth, say look, I'm not interested. I'm interested in somebody else or I want to be by myself, whatever it may be, but don't lie. It's not good to take away people things and you don't want them. So run where she run away. You know where she gone?
Look. Nothing really.
Listen, she not be good man, you know, she want. But this not right. If you see her, tell her something I don't want to say. I mean, I have nothing to say to her. Nothing whatsoever. And she's not my daughter no more. Cause I seem like she don't want nothing good. She want the little yaga boy them down the lane. Little yaga boy them slump on bank inside and chat fart and smoke ganja every day. Them type of man she want. A decent picnic.
So mom, we'll get some feed.
Go on get something feed. Food in my fridge.
Good night.
Good night, darling. How you feeling?
Yeah.
For everything.
Yeah, you know, say, me been a call her daughter and me not get through with her, none at all.
Me not get her
send
either.
text. I want.
Why? It's confusing, you know. It's very confusing. I'm not even sleep at night because I'm worried. I'm so worried. I'm not even know what to do. When you know, my daughter come tell me say that some morning she tell me she said that she run away with this guy because she run away with this guy because she don't want married. Me not even know who the man is. Because I like so much she bring introduce me. I know him, I don't know who. I have no idea who it is. I can't believe Kiki do something like this, man. I swear to God, I can't believe it. It's someone that want big surprise to me.
So she run with gone?
She run with gone.
Because she don't want married?
She don't want married. So she gone. So Kiki plan all of this and she have all of this all the time and nobody don't know what go on.
Really love your daughter, you know?
Me no say love her. Then if you buy the big girl, how much million diamond ring come get the girl. Me no say love her. Look how you treat her good. You buy her car and everything. I don't know you. Them are young people.
Remember, here we go. Me get back to you. Cause right now, I had to start work and everything. So
I wanna go.
thanks.
Yes,
Here,
yes.
Me call and check up on
Call
her.
me.
And see if you can try call her.
Yeah.
That makes you know.
Yeah,
So
I will.
really would have.
I will. So take
Alright.
it easy and don't stress yourself too much.
Alright.
Everything will work out.
Alright.
Alright, so drive carefully, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, later.
I'm sorry for taking so long here. Sorry about
Yeah,
that.
me wonder one thing,
Yeah,
you know.
man.
You know,
No, me did end up of it. Go back. That through my father did there a sub and so me end up back to go release the people them from work and everything and lock up the place and check off and
That's very good. You're a good son.
yeah, man, so that's why I take so long. You know a long time I call you and tell us to come out, man, so sorry about that. So what I really want to talk about now is I really love your daughter and I really have stressed me out, but it look like so I can't go get her. You understand? So
Honestly, never know should I do something.
because as Zona tell me say she run with her because she know I'm married and everything. You understand? I really have to get somebody right now for married so my father can turn over the business to me.
That's
You
understanding.
understand? And
Yeah.
give me the girls and everything. So me did have an idea. You understand? I'm more glad if you could have make the work out it. You understand? Me I say me I say more than want to marry the other daughter then because by an idea two of them are fail.
Well, I don't see nothing wrong with that thing because the little girl, because she don't want nothing good. Because she get a good man and she play dodo, so me no know.
Alright, so me work with the car. Are you birth them and everything, you understand? So I want you said I want one blood, you understand?
Alright, that's not a problem.
So I just that me come to talk to you about and everything. So me I go plan something, man. Me go
So
check
do-
her back in the morning.
yeah,
fix
yeah,
things and
yeah,
everything.
definitely so.
Yeah, man. So only
So-
for respect again.
Yeah, man. So have a good night,
Yeah,
yeah?
man. Alright.
And take good care of yourself and
Yeah,
keep
man.
neat. Alright, so later.
Alright.
Alright.
Pop it on!
I'll come there.
Oh, we are dealing.
Yeah.
Ah, boy. So, where's the one?
Oh, but you said thing we are talking about.
Yeah, because we done pay for everything, you know. So, what go on? Just say go marry to your girl.
Alright.
What the girl left
Daddy,
to talk?
alright, listen now, daddy. You know, so to tell you the truth, basically, as I made that talk about, say most of them girls just want free money. Me and her talk so good and everything. You understand? Even you meet her and say you rate her.
Yeah, man.
Then I
I
can't believe, say, her sister and her mother me I hear from, say she run off, gone, say she don't want married me. Me don't understand all of that. Right now, I left my heart cut up, daddy, me I tell you the truth. But, we solve the problem still. I take her sister, tell the mother, say, since as a sister they run off, me take care of the daughter then. Because I want family, I want blood. So me work with the one day.
Oh.
And then really she me did one still I did. Tickets come. I like her still, daddy. And me say, you and mommy like her. Right now my heart cut up, daddy. Can't believe.
So, what you go do you now?
Right.
Because if she gone, you know, what you go do?
Like me I tell her say, me talk to your mother and me I tell her say, mother like to get the other sister. Because if the one they run off, me just take the one because they say, I have to get somebody fast.
Alright.
So if married.
Alright, so, see that? I call them, text them and text me now. See that? I place the bill.
So that good with they still with the
But you may say no, it don't really matter, you know. But you have to just know that somebody you can trust and that somebody not go rob you or somebody not go kill you. You need to sleep, you know, so one girl are good. Because me, the next sister, Kiki,
Yeah.
so what I want to name?
The one named Tiffany.
Tiffany.
Yeah.
Well, I have good luck with Tiffany. In my life, I've been...
She a call me too.
yeah, man.
So what's up? Hold on. Hello? Alright, so we'll call her back.
That can work then, man.
Mm.
That can work. So this is the same arrangement then. Alright, so the caterer and everybody did there, you know. And everything did already. We done the past already. We pay me money already. Pastor get him money. Come now and joke with pastor business. Pastor want him money. You just you might do it for the money. And we are trying to make some money same way. So, a business. So, I can't do the wedding, everything, so you just do it. Everything good, man. Then, you come, like Mama Jai too. So,
Mama Jai good, man.
Room upstairs, man. Make me get my room upstairs and then call him comfortable. You know what I mean? The place today, everybody alright. So, like I said, I'm going to move, you know. Now,
I like to fix up the place, you know, that I did have it in mind, you know.
Not a simple, you may say, maybe actually there's some money put on one place, right? The problem with others with us. We call it petty cash like.
Yeah, freestyle.
Yeah. But $500,000 or so. You can't take the $500,000 there. I just doing little things to fix up out of them place still and then make them live here. That means them make a rent out so them can make them want money too. Teach them to make money. Yeah. Not just give them money so. So maybe Mama Jai can rent in place and go and make him money see when I need time. Alright, so that good still. But me I go up the line and go deal with some things.
When today?
Yeah. One idea them more you forward up there, console we have still. But for now just balance the business down here. Me call up on a video call and make you see what I go on. Yeah, the place good, me I tell you. It's still like Pine Plaza at St. Elizabeth. Big old place like that. Yeah man, and something like that me I build. Yeah man. Something like that me I build, man. You understand? So I bag a thing go on, man. So, you have my son, you know. You have me proud.
That's right.
Try to get a youth out of her, you know. No ramp with her, you know, daddy. You try to get a youth because that's how the legacy go on. And more teach you something now. You want to listen to me, kill me. What kind of youth you want first?
What that get a son first.
You want a son? Alright now. What happened, you know? Man make girl baby. Woman make boy baby. You understand? I'm a teacher the maths now. I'm never teach you never reach age yet. Come on, teach you fast, come have a cut. You know. So you make you feed her good. You should eat all of juice, porridge, everything what you do. And when you go to the ramping shop, right? You make you take control. You relax from your back and say, take control, do your thing. You go get a son.
Yeah.
But if you go on like your bulldog, buck and up a conqueror, and you're deaf and fear case and you beat her badly, you get a girl. So now you learn something, apply it, and it works. It has been proven. Because you're there.
Oh,
right?
That's good.
You're a mother strong. Kadami. In them time, them try ensure so because she's short, so I ensure that I give her every juice, I give her plum, I give everything what she wants. And my grandfather teach me this, right? And it work and see there. So now you can do the same thing, and you must teach it to the generation to come. That man make girl baby, woman make boy babies. If you want a boy, if your name live on, you know what to do and when to do it. Alright, anyway. We're on lucky place. Alright?
How much you say the car they rent for cost, man? They don't rent in.
You see how you do it now? Make your own price. Be your own boss. Check around. My price is different. More you control the thing and just do it. Alright? Just make it a call. They're ready for me now.
Alright.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, I see the material. No, I'm not look on it fully yet, but I see something coming on the phone. So I'm going to check it now. Alright? Alright.
Go home with. I say there with me now. You feel happy.
I'll go home to my parents.
Listen, me, I say no. You're there so with me.
But more go home to my new boyfriend because we are going married.
Forget about him and gone with the sister. Forget about him and me and there. Listen, man, and gone with the sister. No worry about him. Just forget him and me and you. And me and you forever right now. Yeah?
I'll go home to mother.
Listen what me
don't hear from me.
Listen what me I say. Listen. Now listen. I love you. Him no love you.
You love me anything already?
No, me have to tear you down because I'm going to let you go if you love me. When you start love me, I let you go and we can go out and date and everything. But not until
So you
you
do
start
this
love me, you will stay yourself forever. Because if me can't have you, nowadays man out the road can't have you and look on you them way there. You hear me say? So me I give tonight to reconsider and make up your mind tomorrow. Yeah? Yeah. Me I go in as a whole of bait. So you're good. So me put you in a chair then and give you food to eat. You can't say me a bad treat you.
Can you get some water?
Look more, look more, look more. Morning.
Mommy.
You alright? No hungry.
Hungry.
You hungry?
Mm-hmm.
There is some cup soup. You want some?
Yeah.
You throw me love when me carry some from here.
Hot man.
Take it.
Mhm.
But you not take different something hard to not take it. Take it one little cup soup. Sure. You hungry man?
Mm-hmm.
You look more it as before. And someone you happy.
Mm-hmm. When I get love it, then I'm come out some sleep.
No, you have to show me that you love me. Take your time now. Take time.
Hungry man, hungry.
So. You want some water?
Mm-hmm.
Then we put pepper in it. Where's that happen now? You love me?
Mm-hmm.
You make up your mind now?
Good, you feed me, I make me feel comfortable, feel me. But me just not like tie up and lock up with me.
No, this have to learn a lesson. This have to learn. Right? Hold this. I eat that. Me soon come back.
I go for water for me.
No, me I go on the road.
I'm thirsty.
Drink that the water there, me come back and get next water again. Oh, where are you? Give me this. So you tell me say you love me, you don't love me? You don't love me, you just want to escape from it.
You want to come out there so with you?
You don't want to be it. You don't smell yourself. Eh? Not until you show me say you love me. You will stay in there so. Yeah? I soon come back there. Give me this stuff. Hello, hold it. You hungry? The champagne I want me give you. And your friend carry back come give me. I'm going to 2 years now, I got it. And I give you a piece of bun. Hey, bun? Nah, no cheese. Hold it. Take no? You love me, you can suffer with me. You love me. Yeah, you can suffer. You have no hard days now. You want champagne?
I'm going to use them to enjoy bun. Leave a piece of cheese.
No, we're
Leave a piece
not
of butter.
with cheese. If you want too much, you say you have to suffer with me if you love me. You have to go through some hard days. Right? So may I give the special, and my granny give me this, you know? My granny. And me am bossy because of you. Because I love you. Eh? Because I love you. Come, give me a cup. Want enough?
You just give me back up.
It's a fish serve for another month. So many people then they stingy. Police. Everybody has to get a drink out of this. So I eat the bud stuff. Take a bite. Yeah. You just want you love me. What hard night for you love me? Remember saying, if me can't have you, nowadays man can't have you. You got turn yourself.
You don't love me.
No, me no, you don't love me. You have to love me. Show me say you love me from behind the grills. Yeah? Go put up this. I'm gonna go up on the road. So later, I hope make sure that serve up. Make sure look more than that. Alright. Here come. You carry some clothes, buy them here before you sleep. And then remember to carry them from here. Them sexy sit them while you're here. Bacteria shot and stuff. Look at her going straight. Push part the bathroom. Come. Come, get up, get up. Come here. Come here. Yeah, look for me, so. Just press the red button upon the shower head and the water turn on, yeah? Red button upon the shower head and the water turn on, like this. Yeah? I am here. And I'm done with the red stuff. Oh boy. It's not, I'm gonna get nervous. You can't give me a hug. You're not even show me say you love me. Yeah? Remember, you now come out and do this until you love me. Yeah? You take one picture of you. Anything I think I'm going to buy you. Yeah, I said we not spend no money for it. Don't carry something to eat.
Can I get pastry?
Hey, relax. Relax. I'm pocket on there, so. Don't get a lot, man. I'm remember all that again. I go fry 2 chicken. I buy chicken in the road. I get KFC. Yo, get up. I come like you take me for eat that, you know. More day now me have yourself feed you. You know, hungry. You buy your clothes. And you come and take me full. See your sister married and look about paper, cigar, fern. No business boy you. Eh? You don't realize you're me for that. I know you can't realize that.
She don't give me a chance to talk to you.
Okay. You get too much chance. You like a fool that take me final.
Me did have it on my mind to tell you say. Me just
when you have it on your mind? When?
For day before yesterday, me I think.
So why you not tell me now?
Me don't tell you. But you just every minute you come, me I go on road, me I go on road. You know, give me no time more to tell you nothing.
You never want to tell me nothing, man.
Think about it and I think about the party. I feel like more circle down with you for true. Because the boy didn't never rate me for true. I think who don't go look for me sister.
But then that's the if you tell me.
Yeah, I love you for true. I mean you for living together and circle down. I mean my mother to go work with it. Because I want me want. I want you for true.
And them let's see if you make me hear more day now. Me I look for you here then sitting here.
So come here, go hug me up now, let me feel nice.
Make me feel like a grown thing in the pan, yo. Feel like a grown thing in the pan, and I like them thing then. And think that joke in everything. Now you like to joke. You can't feel it open it. No. Yeah, I'm good. I just you want to good.
I'm saying I'm coming and doing things.
True.
You get something to eat?
Yeah.
Let me tell you some food out there that's never gonna look lazy. So, what going on about the movie and stuff like that? You coming over to come talk to me?
Yeah, I'm come over today.
What time I come over? Oh, me going that too. Who is it? Oh, you. You see me just talk about you?
Morning,
Good
morning.
morning, how are you? Just talk
Yeah, my
about you, you know?
wife.
I'm just there to talk about you. So everything good?
Yeah, man, I come do a good news and now. So, basically, I go on to the move in a mansion with me. You understand? Because, as you know, all we are one family and everything. And now I have your daughter the right way, so what I want, I just live on my home and everything.
So we're
I
gonna do
refurbish
this.
this phone.
You refurbish it?
Yeah. And set up in more better. And get it red phone. And all of that in your phone.
Yeah, so that money can go in the bank.
Yeah, man. So I just get on the things, pack up on the things. Understand? Carry out the phone and everything. So just don't know them. I'm right here, sorry.
Alright, that's not a problem. Alright, so we'll just start and get the luggage done from us.
Mommy, move.
Where did it?
Mommy.
Where did it? Where were you? What you did there? Where did it?
She not tell me did that, mommy. She set me up for them capture me, mommy. She jealous over me, mommy. And she make the boy we come check with such rich. She make the boy capture me and lock me up, mommy. And me have to check the boy so me love him for escape, mommy. The boy could have treat me bad, mommy. Me not bear too much days, mommy. Me here no cool, me not get no roll and no, and I be a sugar bun and bad to feed my pan. Mommy, the girl set up the boy to kidnap me and tell the boy to make me love because she jealous of me.
You want something for your little bit you lie, you know? For your little bit you lie, you know? Listen, you don't tell the truth. So me can't believe you know, say. You do it!
Why if you don't believe me?
No, because you're always lying, you're always jealous.
Mommy, she jealous
You're
over
jealous,
me.
me always tell you say you're jealous. You
Mommy,
want
she don't want me to come out to nothing in her life, mommy.
That really are
She
going
don't want me to
everything.
come out to nothing in her life. She
Tell her.
just want him,
She say
mommy.
you're
Can I
wrong
say
way.
something, please? Can I say something, please?
Yeah, go ahead, my son.
Alright,
She
so
say you're wrong way.
basically,
Mommy, you know me now run her, mommy.
everything I'm have with her, I like to just cut this somehow.
Me and they are cause you know ambition. You get this good man in your life and you're gonna pick up chica for
Mommy,
boy.
mommy, me run away, mommy.
Me can't believe you're so wicked to your sister.
Mommy, me have a chicken boy, so me love him,
I would
mommy.
like
I
to-
fuck him.
I would like to unhold everything between me and her because I never really did want she, but as I said before, because I did just have to get married.
I understand, because you explain everything to me
Yeah,
already. You
my main
explain everything.
focus was she. You understand? I never know that be that cruel.
Me can't believe you're so wicked, you know?
Me
Me can't believe you're so damn wicked. Me not believe you're my picky. You're so wicked. Okay, that's so wicked over your own sister, jealous.
Me call
Mommy, she
her.
jealous over me, mommy.
God, me can't believe this. No, sir. One more talk to her, yeah? You're a wicked water picnic.
So now they're back here now. How was the movie? Well, plenty people will be commenting. Some of them not my friends, some of them just genuine concern. But we're doing the best we can for now. And we only can do what we can do now. Now. You know what I mean? In the future, we will do what we can do. We are working towards something. So while we study and we do what we do our best to entertain. You know what I mean? We're not making that big that most people assume assumption. You know what I mean? Is the people them that help donate really keep the thing going. If you don't know, tell me, I tell you now. You know what I mean? It's donation keep the boat afloat. Sink long time and done with movie world long time. And there's the people that are out there who contribute to the development of the thing, keep it possible today while we are here today. And one and few. It's not as many as we talk. Enough talk, like you have 100 people talk and one somebody else, but every 100, one somebody else. You know what I mean? And give thanks to that one person them there. They make a difference why we're here today. And from Damien days come up to Bully days and everything, are the support from that time till this time. And some people still attack from that time till this time when they haven't done anything to push the movie thing forward. But we are do it. We are fight and I try get it right. So lack of funds make you cannot keep people too long. If you understand about work, after a time when they pay somebody $10, then get used to that $10 so they want $15. And then from 15 you go to 20, 30, then you go out of boundary. You cannot pay them anymore and they don't think they should stay. Bam, they gone away. I cannot keep them. I have no money to keep them here. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get the movie business up and running from nothing. Go tell the whole world say we are try fight it out and nothing, right? And when you talk the truth in a Jamaica, them say you're mad. You know what I mean? And that's so sad. Because the reality of it, nobody really cares if we make it or not. That is the truth. And yeah, people come into the thing now that will do movie, but they do it for their own personal gain. But I've been doing it for one purpose. To help Jamaica. Most of the people say I should leave Jamaica though. In order to help Jamaica, I should leave Jamaica. I don't know yet, so me no consider it yet. But what them say, I would do better if I leave here than stay here. You know what I mean? Because a fighting country part, as I start something the fight go come. You know what I mean? So as I fight the war, we try to do our best. You know what I mean? It's not an easy road, but a lot of assumption and lack of support. We there so. We want to improve, we want to get better, but you go take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? The sun hot and not burn me. Some place in the world and that grudge me. No, but no grudge me because the sun hot. For my face I know, but still me have to talk. Alright? So big up to the people them who are support from that time till this time. They man big up yourself, you know what I mean? I'm one of the first to kick off the start the promotion part and say, yo, you want to say full movie. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Then we have a lot of people from Jews, Empress G. We have plenty different name of people that they don't want the name to mention, you know what I mean? But big up the lady who make it possible for her to get the first vehicle. We can put in a JAMMIWOOD name. Big up herself. Big up to the second lady. I'm gonna go get a second vehicle. Do I make a bad buy with the first vehicle because it's park and can't move, you know? But still, I'm grateful and I'm faithful to it. So one day I go drive and drive good. Yeah, make a bad buy. That is that. We're not worried about that. On to the future now. This is 2024. You know what I mean? And we want to do better, bigger things. So we really want some more actress as we go along. Richard Brown Films want actress too. You know what I mean? One movement. So reach out to me if you're interested and serious, because you know, no one understands. So only one thing we have left in Jamaica now, you know. Everything sell out and gone, you know. They not give you a chance, a fighting chance, you can get a blight. If you buy a piece of the land, you can't buy it. Most get food for them. You know what I mean? But they are well still. Hopefully things will change. Hopefully things will change. Yeah, things will change, but hopefully change for the better of the movements, so we can see bigger movie come out of Jamaica, you know what I mean, produced by us or produced by anybody else, but still we want to uplift the movie culture in Jamaica. Just like I have music on the forefront, we want movie on the forefront, we want movie be an everyday topic in everyday society, just like how them talk about music. Alright? So that is the fight we fight right now. You know what I mean? So we are doing it. So we are create a flood. So you see enough channel come out, it's intentionally. Most of the time, we just put out some work, so if we can create a flood. Create a flood. Them say approved camera for certain networks, so we don't know approved camera. So we use what we have, and we go do what we do, and we go try our best. So who sit aside and criticize? Do something to help the youth them rise, and stop the noise. Let's go, burn it down.